Okay, this is day 11 of documenting my trading journey every day until I'm profitable. Let's get right into technical analysis. We still have all of these relative equal lows, so it's almost like trendline taps now. We also have this low here. We're back inside this big volume imbalance. ES also has these relative highs. We've closed through the daily fair value gap here. I will be leaning bullish just because of yesterday's reaction. We have nice delivery here on the 4 hour. We have nice delivery down here. My first target would be this point here on the 4 hour that we have not tapped yet. I expect some form of manipulation down at market open before continuing higher. As we refine the time frame, we do notice that we actually have a new day opening gap here, and we have a lot of trendline liquidity on both assets. I really wonder if this fair value gap here is enough to take us down. We might just dump at market open. I really think this is a good trade. We've got all this low resistance here. We've got good delivery on both assets. We put in a 5-minute inverse. We've got a 5-minute order block in with it. Could put your stop above the order block. Yeah, I really think we're going to just come all the way down. And this is market open, and as you can see,
ho ho ho,
green giant, we just completely dump. So that was a nice prediction, and I did call that we'd run all that low resistance liquidity. Watch the next candle. 3, 2, 1. It's going to just fly down to the TP. It's going to go down to this blue line. The reason I didn't take it is because I was just a bit too late on the 5-minute, and also I just anticipated this to be manipulation, and I expected us to bounce. I was planning to catch the long. And there's TP. So now that all of the points of interest that I expected us to manipulate into at market open have been hit, and we have delivery out of a 15-minute on ES, I scale down to the 30-second where I find an IFVG, and I use that as confirmation for longs. I think this was a great trade to take, but unfortunately the bias just wasn't bullish today, so I got that wrong again. I've been finding bias hard to read since we've been stuck in this little range on the daily time frame. So really what I've been finding myself doing recently is just using current market conditions on the lower time frames to react to price action rather than predict. And unfortunately this time we weren't bullish, so my trade did hit the break-even mark. We did react off something higher and we continued lower. That's unfortunate. For the rest of the session we continued to dump. We reacted off a 4-hour breaker on ES and a 4-hour order block on NQ, which resulted in us coming up from that. But at this point, it was too late in the session. I didn't want to take anything. All in all, a break-even day, one trade, one break-even, a good trade, in my opinion. Let's keep up the good work tomorrow.